Stop by and take a look at the 2019 RX 350. The RX 350 offers a driver-inspired design and intuitive technology that puts you in total control of your interior. Paired with a spacious cargo area, the RX 350 continues to offer the best combination of powerful performance and interior luxury in its class. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, airbags front passenger seat cushion. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.